Hi! In front of me is TCL 30SE, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications section after scrolling down. Now select Manage App Notifications, and by clicking on this gray switcher next to all, you can switch all of them on or all of them off. If you want to, you can always just click on one of the blue switchers next to the chosen apps, like Booking.com. All notifications from Booking are now off. You can switch them on by selecting the same switcher. Or if you want to, just clicking on one of your apps on the left and adjusting all of the notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!